As you saw how the bores were too tight in this engine on both sides, here's a look at the top of the pistons. They're in order as far as numeric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You'll note the dimple in the front. That means that part of the piston faced the front of the engine. Moving to the skirts. These pistons have a moly coating. You'll see this gray material here. Okay? There is a little wear dimple on here. That's the only part of this moly that should be missing. And if you'll notice, every single one of these pistons from 1, 2, 2 even has some scuffing, 3, wear spot, 4, nice wear pattern starting there, 5, 6, 7, and this was kind of unique here. This is piston number 8. That last cylinder we looked at, it was not only had a lot of taper, it had more taper one way than the other way as far as 0 to 90 degrees is concerned. This piston has a cracked skirt, and if you'll observe, the top of this piston is perfect. Okay, now we're going to move around to the other side, and we're going to check out the skirts over here. Piston number 1. Look at the excessive scratching. Number 2. Number 2 also has a crack this way, right above my fingernail. That's a crack. Piston number 3, major scuffing. Piston number 4, a lot of wear. Piston number 5, got some scuff marks, a lot of wear. Same is true for number 6. Number 7, it has a lot of damage because the piston itself has started to mess up. We'll get to that in a minute. And piston number 8 is the other side of it, and you'll see the little wear pattern, what's left of it. A lot of excessive wear on these pistons. Keep in mind this engine only has 16,000 miles on it. So, what can cause damage like this on piston number 7 and damage like this on piston number 5? There's two main theories behind all that. As you witnessed before, you saw how much taper the bores had. If the top of the cylinder is nominal and you set this ring end gap, then when it goes down and tightens up, if you don't properly set it, your ring will butt together and pop this piston off. If you notice, only the top ring line is affected. After this top ring line got affected, it also affected the second one. Because if you'll notice the amount of carbon that's on this piston, when oil gets on top of the piston, it will make it detonate. So if your cylinders are not true within 0.7 of a thousandths, which is factory spec, oil's going to come around, get on top of the piston, that will cause it to detonate. So pistons 5 and 7 have damage to the top of them. My main concern is piston number 8. That tells the story. That's why I pointed out earlier there was no damage at all to the top of number 8 piston. Nothing. But you have a cracked skirt. So if this engine was damaged due to detonation, explain to me how you crack a skirt on a piston without damaging the top of it from detonation. That's all we have for right now. Thank you for your time.